Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about the properties of a general entity in a Stera data warehouse builder. A general entity in a data model represents a table that could contain readable data but does not require any data to be written to it. Whenever a database is reverse engineered, all of its chosen entities are marked general by default. Here, we have a sample model that we've just reverse engineered from a database. Let's examine the properties of one of the entities in this model. You can access the properties of an entity by right-clicking on the object and selecting Properties from the context menu. Alternatively, you can just double-click on the object. In both cases, a configuration window will appear on your screen. On the Entity Properties screen of the configuration window, you can view and edit some general information regarding the table. You can change the name, schema, and entity type. Moreover, you can also provide an optional definition for the table. On the Layout Builder screen, you can modify the layout of the table by adding or removing fields. To remove a field from the layout, right-click on it and select Delete from the menu. To add a new field, just fill out the empty row at the bottom. You can also move a selected field up or down the layout by using the arrows at the top of the window. On the Data Model Entity Indexes screen, you can create indexes to increase the speed of data retrieval based on a field or a set of fields. As you can see, this entity contains a pre-existing index. This is the primary key index that was already present in the database from which this entity was reverse engineered. To add a new index, click on the Add Index icon on the top left of the screen. To delete an index, click on the Delete Index icon. This icon is disabled when you select the primary key index. You can also auto-generate indexes based on field characteristics using the Auto-Generate Indexes icon. However, this icon is disabled if the entity type is general, as in this case. On clicking the Add New Index icon, you'll notice that a new index with a default name is added to the index list. In the index properties, you can change the name of the index and also specify its type by selecting the appropriate checkboxes. You can choose any key column or columns for the index through the drop-down menu available in the Columns section. For further optimization, you can also include any non-key columns to the index through the drop-down menu available in the Include Columns section. This concludes our overview of the properties of a general entity. For more information on a Stera Data Warehouse Builder, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.